Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix cannot connect to App Store error. So guys, if you're facing this error that is saying that cannot connect to App Store, so guys, this can be frustrating, but we can tackle this. I'm gonna give you some steps you can take to resolve this issue. So guys, first of all you have to do is simply check your internet connection. Indicate that your iPhone is connected to internet either through Wi-Fi or cellular data. If this doesn't work, then you have to do is try a different network. If possible, switch to a different Wi-Fi network or use cellular data to see if issue persists. Sometimes it could be a problem with the network you are on. After trying these two and you're still facing the issue, then you have to do is check your date and time settings. So guys, incorrect date and time settings can cause issues. You have to do is simply open your settings, tap on your general, tap on date and time. So guys, after this then you have to do is make sure that set automatically is turned on. So guys, if this also doesn't work, then you have to do is sign out and sign in again. So guys, to do this you have to go back and open to your Apple ID, scroll down and then tap on sign out, enter your passcode and tap on turn off and then sign back in. So guys, this can refresh your connection. If this also doesn't work, then you have to do is update your iOS version. Insecure, your iOS is up to date. Software update often include bug fixes and outdated system can cause connection issue. So you have to open your general, tap on your software update and check if there is any available update for your iPhone. If there is like this, then simply update your iPhone to its latest version. So guys, after trying these all solution and you're still facing the issue again and again, then you have to do is reset your network settings. So guys, to do this you have to open your settings, go to your general, scroll down and then tap on transfer reset iPhone. Tap on reset network settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, if this video helps you then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos and thanks for watching.